For seniors, the spring is full of exciting events: prom, graduation, senior outings. But one activity that is a favorite of the seniors every year is Senior Assassin, a game where a group of 3 or 4 friends try to kill their assigned classmates, with Nerf guns, of course, for a cash prize. Senior Mila and Mia explain their experience in the game so far.
It's been really exciting to follow along with the rule changes and everything every single week, but it's unexpected, which I think is cool.
However, this is a game of strategy. Mila and Mia explain the strategy that has gotten them through nearly 7 weeks of the game.
I think we have a good strategy. We like to plan stuff out when we get our team assignments, so that really helps us stay put together for the week.
Yeah, we also keep our Nerf guns with us a lot, in the car and wherever we go.
But like any game, the team faces challenges. Here is Mia and Mila again.
If you don't know the person, it's hard to find out a lot about them, like where they live or where they work.
And it's kind of hard to know when to go after them because once you do, the secret's out and everyone knows who you're going after.
So while the game is ongoing, Mia and Mila hope that their team's collaborative strategy and commitment to the game can take them all the way to the prize at the end. This has been Jillian Myers with the Downers Go South Blueprint.